Dictation of Dawn News editorial paragraph. Cyber complaints start. A rise in cyber harassment cases in the country points to how digital tools and social media are manipulated by individuals to intimidate, bully and defraud young people. Full stop. Almost 2700 people, mostly women, approached the Digital Rights Foundation in 2022 to lodge complaints of harassment, financial fraud and blackmail. Full stop. The complainants were between the ages of 18 and 30 years, with the highest number of complaints from Punjab. Full stop. The report notes that the FIA, the main law enforcement agency mandated to address the issue, has cybercrime wings in only 15 cities. Full stop. Many have told DRF that the channel of registering online complaints is not reliable. In fact, in-person registration seems more effective. Full stop. This means that the true number of cybercrime cases in the country may be much higher, as thanks to the lack of an effective online reporting mechanism, individuals can only register a complaint in cities where the FIA has a dedicated wing. Full stop. As internet use increases in Pakistan, the perpetrators of these crimes will cast a wider net when hunting for targets. Full stop. The government needs to wake up to this reality. Full stop. Ironically, it rushes to legislate on internet regulation, and to make laws legitimizing surveillance and clampdowns. Full stop. There is, unfortunately, little political will when it comes to implementing already existing laws to address cybercrime and internet harassment, or to improve the laws. Full stop. Every government is focused on enacting laws for short-term gains, or as a reaction to an event, without thoughtfully dealing with the issue. Full stop. To worsen matters, law enforcement agencies are non-transparent regarding how they work on cases, so it is difficult to ascertain if the right work is being done. Full stop. Resultantly, women and marginalized communities are repeatedly targeted and have limited platforms for their grievances to be taken up. Full stop. The government needs to engage with digital rights activists and groups to see where the laws are failing, and where law enforcement agencies can improve to help victims of cybercrime get justice. Full stop and close.